Understanding the Winds of Destiny. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that you might have come across in English literature, movies, or even in everyday conversations: the winds of destiny. It's a powerful metaphor that carries a lot of meaning, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how you can use it in your own conversations. Let's dive into the world of metaphors and destinies together. The phrase, "the winds of destiny," refers to the invisible forces or events that shape our lives, often in ways that we cannot predict or control. Just as the wind can change direction without warning, the winds of destiny can steer our lives into unexpected paths. This metaphor suggests that life is full of uncertainties and changes, and sometimes, these changes are beyond our control, guiding us towards our destiny or fate. While the exact origin of the phrase, "the winds of destiny," is difficult to pinpoint, it's rooted in the long-standing human fascination with fate and the forces that guide our lives. Many cultures and religions throughout history have believed in the concept of destiny, a predetermined course of events that one's life is supposed to take. This phrase beautifully encapsulates that belief, using the wind as a metaphor for the unseen and unpredictable forces that influence our journey through life. The winds of destiny is often used to convey a sense of acceptance or resignation to life's unpredictable nature. It can be used in various contexts. In reflection, when looking back at life's unexpected turns, you might say, "The winds of destiny have brought me here." In motivation, encouraging someone to embrace life's uncertainties, you could say, "Let the winds of destiny guide you to your true path." In literature and art, writers and artists might use this phrase to underscore the themes of fate and destiny in their works. The phrase, "the winds of destiny," is a beautiful and poetic way to talk about the unpredictable nature of life and the unseen forces that shape our paths. By understanding and using this phrase, you can add depth and nuance to your conversations and reflections on life. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and use of this intriguing phrase. Remember, life is an adventure shaped by the winds of destiny, so embrace the journey with an open heart and mind. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.